Hey Huskies, I just wanted to create a tutorial on how to create a Canvas course. So normally at the beginning of the semester, we have a Canvas course already created for your classes. So whatever prep you have, it's already created for you. It should show up um, looking like this. So for my classes for chemistry, it already is populated. It says Chemistry 1A. It has a course code, and they automatically enroll those students. Okay, so that is exactly what they'll be enrolled in. But the best thing I like to do is create a shell course. So that way you can put every file you have, you can really add everything and play around in that one before copying that content to your actual course. So in order to do that, you're going to click on the very right hand side. It says start a new course. So you click there and you can title it anything. So I'm going to be creating a shell course for my virtual classroom. So this is going to be chemistry virtual. And then you just click create the course. So then it'll take you to your new course page. Okay. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down to our settings. So at the bottom says settings. And you're able to edit everything here. So the course code is what students can add themselves into your class as. You really don't need that unless you are giving it to other teachers, but you can also add teachers. So for example, I'm gonna have this as Chem Virtual, and that's what they would put in to add your course themselves manually. So this is a manually created course. I don't need a start or end date. You can restrict student access to it. Okay. You can describe it, but make sure that whatever you do, you update that course details. Okay. Something in our settings is it also has sections. So because this is a manually created class, I have only my one section. In your actual course, it'll show every prep period or every period that you have of this course. So if you have periods 1, 2, and 3, it would show period 1, period 2, and period 3, and how many students would be in each of those classes. If you go to navigation, these are all of the tabs that are on the left-hand side, and you can actually just drag and drop them off. So if I don't want Edpuzzle to be shown to the students, I would just drag it off there and then click save. So for my virtual class, I do want Edpuzzle, so I would keep it up here. I'm not going to be using badges or the lockdown browser or any of these things, so I don't need them to actually see that. So I don't want conferences, you do want to make sure that you keep. But I like to always make sure I have my homepage, announcements, because that would be like your weekly updates. Assignments are always good to have, discussions, grades. I don't let students see people because they don't need to see other students in the course, and that's where they can do that. Pages, they should be able to see files. Your syllabus, I just always drag it to the top under home. Just for me, that's where I like it. I don't use outcomes, rubrics. These are all things that you will still be able to access. The students just won't be able to see it on their side. So where it says that they're not visible to students, that's what is going to be there. And then you click save. And this would be your shell course. Okay, so this is where you would be able to upload everything you want, and you can edit it as much as you want. Okay, great.